Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about two useful settings in sigmamind AI, disable and duplicate. So disabling an agent is helpful when you want to temporarily stop an AI agent without deleting it. And duplicating an agent lets you quickly create a copy of an existing agent. It will save time and effort. So let's see how we can do that. So on your agent builder, you can see we have three options here: testing, live, and disable. So you just need to click on this button to make it live in testing mode or in disabled mode. So when you click on this disabled, now the agent is turned off and it will no longer handle conversations. Now next, let's see how you can duplicate it. So on your home dashboard, from here you just need to click on this three dot and click on this duplicate. And your agent is duplicated now. So these two options make it easy to manage and reuse your AI agent. Thank you.